a little funny how I open Moi videos by entering as I walk in further into Moi kitchen towards Moi stove at 11:12 a.m. on November 15th, 2021. I'm making some field roast classic smoked plant-based veggie dogs. Gotta get a knife. Making half the pack of taking 3. There's a total of 6, I think, in here. I'm not sure. Let me see. Hold on. Yeah. There's 6 veggie dogs that come in a pack. Do this right. Craziness. Yada 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 yada. Yada yada yada. Okay. So I'm making 3. These are going back in the fridge after I wrap them up in plastic wrap. Putting these in at 375 for a few minutes or so. So I like them when they're kind of soft and not too dry, you know, because they're made out of vital wheat gluten and various other things. But the vital wheat gluten makes it, if they become overcooked or dry, it makes it more difficult for some people like myself to digest it. 375.